Hey guys, welcome back to Frack Daddy Barbecue. On this episode, we are going to be making my version of New Mexico style green chili cheeseburgers, and we're going to be using my Blackstone Griddle that we just got done re-seasoning. So let's go inside. I'm going to show you how we do it. So here we have in front of us all the seasonings we're going to be using to make our burger patties. Now, me and Melissa love Worcestershire sauce in a burger. I think you have to have it inside of a hamburger. So we're going to put a couple dashes. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to get some kosher salt. We're going to be adding some Hatch red chili powder that I got from Hatch Chile. Get everything incorporated beautifully. We are using a 80-20 ground beef. We're going to form these into patties. I always like to smell it to see how it's going to smell. I mean, I know some people will take raw hamburger meat and give it a shot to see how they're gonna like the taste, but I can't do that. So that's how I tell if my seasoning is gonna work for me. So now I'm just gonna take some meat. For me, Melissa likes hers pretty thin, so
paper thin,
like Freddy's. There's a Frack Daddy burger, one of them. Then that's a Melissa burger. Alright guys, so as you can tell, we lost daylight. So Melissa's holding the light for us. And here we have some HEB thick cut bacon we're going to put on our burgers. So we got a total of 4 slices that we just cut in half. Now nothing goes better on a freshly seasoned griddle than something fatty like bacon. This is just going to add more seasoning and more flavor to this Blackstone that has already been seasoned. We'll put 4 over here. Ooh, hear that sizzle. We'll put 4 over here.
It's pretty amazing how it looks compared to how it looked earlier. Yeah. I'll insert a picture right now.
Got to show love to both sides with some bacon.
Yep.
So, like I said, we're going to get these nice and crisp. Then we're going to bring out our burgers after these are done. I'm going to show you guys how we make smash burgers. Alright, the Blackstone is hot. We're ready for the burgers. I am excited. So let's start off with Melissa's. Ooh, listen to that sizzle.
What do you have the temperature on?
Medium to high.
Okay.
To start off with. So then we're going to take our parchment paper. I'm going to take my trusty burger smasher. We got some Lodge. So then we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that.
Count me in.
Wowzers. So, y'all remember that green chili powder that we have? Or the red chili powder? Bam. When I say it's a New Mexico burger, we mean it. Alright, let's give it a flip.
You can see through it. I'm so excited.
Bam. Look at that crust.
That is exactly what you want.
Now, gonna add some more. Alright, so now that her side is done, we're going to take it, we're going to move them over here, which is the cooler side, and this is where we're going to melt the cheese. So 1 slice of sharp cheddar or mild cheddar?
This is medium cheddar.
Medium cheddar. So we'll just put that on there, and then we're going
look at that.
to repeat on this side, guys. Alright, so we got some fresh green chili, chopped up, rough cut. So we're going to put on here just to kind of warm them up. And it will kind of release some of the oils to bring out the green chili. These are just your average run-of-the-mill hamburger buns. Nothing fancy here today.
That have been buttered.
They have been buttered. Now I like to add just a little bit of garlic to my green chili. For some reason, I just think it brings out the flavor of the green chili a little bit more. Now this is the green chili that Hatch sent us that we did that video on of us roasting and peeling all 25 pounds, I believe it was. Tell you what, if you haven't had Hatch Green Chilies, you can still go on their website, and I believe you can get frozen that they'll ship right to your house. So we'll put a link in the description so you can head on over to the Hatch Green Chili store. So let's give these a flip and see how we're looking. Oh, buddy.
Nothing better than a toasted bun.
Oh, buddy.
Look at this view.
All right, so let's take these off. So let me show you how I put my burger together. So let's grab a bun. We like a little bit of Miracle Whip on our burgers. Now, I will tell you this. I am normally not a fan of mustard on a burger, but there's something with a green chili cheeseburger that I think you gotta have mustard on there. It just adds something to the burger. So there's that. Let's add some bacon. Let me add some onion. I love fresh onion on a burger. Now, just to kind of top it all off, we're gonna put a little bit of ketchup on this side. And there we have my take on a New Mexico style green chili cheeseburger with bacon. Chili burger cut open so y'all can see how it looks. So, I'm sorry, but I gotta take a bite in front of y'all. This just looks so good. What do you think, Melissa?
Oh, I can't wait.
Ooh, that green chili's hot. So. Wow. So, I'm gonna tell you what. This is a home run for me. That red chili powder, that red Hatch chili powder that we put on this burger, you taste the different earthiness to it. The green chilies are freaking awesome. Reminds me of a burger back home. This is something I grew up on. But I just want to tell you guys, I appreciate y'all watching. We're going to leave a link in the description box for the Hatch Green Chile store that y'all can go online and you can order this stuff as well. And if this is your first time here, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when Frack Daddy Barbecue puts out more green chili videos. Thanks for watching.